Soon, every day, the adults fly to these springs to feed. Here on the lake's margins, they collect algae that flourish in the volcanic water. Vital food for the flamingos. They spend most of their day at the springs, and now their chicks are going to join them there. No one wants to get left behind. It's a 3-mile march over razor-sharp flakes of soda and sticky, caustic mud. A life-threatening trial, especially for the youngest chicks. For some, the challenges are just too great. Exhaustion overcomes the weakest. Marabou storks. They have long legs like a flamingo, but a beak like a Roman sword. Their very presence creates panic among the chicks. Stragglers will almost certainly be taken. But there comes a point when every stork has had its fill. This little chick is very lucky. At last, the youngsters reach the freshwater springs at the lake's margin to rejoin their parents.